Hello, everybody. A very good morning. Well, I am recording this message to inform you about a very important event which UT, along with its study abroad partner, Globalizers, we are organizing this big event, which is International University Fair. This is first time this fair is happening in Navi Mumbai and of this scale. About more than 50 university representatives. These are global representatives visiting Navi Mumbai and will be offering direct admissions to students. So we at UT are very excited, and ये message record करने का reason is to invite you all in the UT family. And I want you to and I will like you कि आप सब लोग इस fair का हिस्सा बने. The details of this fair is that it is being organized at NMSA, that is Navi Mumbai Sports Association, Vashi. The timings are morning 10 a.m. to evening 6 p.m. So ये फेयर NMSA में हो रहा है. आप सबको रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप अपने सुविधा के अनुसार, अपनी कन्वीनियंस के अनुसार try to make it a point to visit the fair. Now, in lieu of this fair, because of this fair, we are also bringing our classes down, and we are not starting our classes that day from 4 o'clock onwards. All our activities are suspended from 4 to 6:30, and our regular lectures will only happen from 6:30 to 8:30, so that you guys can visit the fair and have your presence there. I would request you to come and witness the kind of scale which we are doing. बहुत बड़े scale पे काम कर रहे हैं, तो मैं चाहूंगा कि आप सब लोग जरूर time निकाल के आएं. I think approximate time would be in the fair. It should take you anywhere between 15 minutes to half an hour for you to go through the fair. An ideal time I would recommend would be between 3 to 5 के बीच में आप सब लोग आ सकते हैं. Now this invitation also extends to professors, our staff members, working staff members. तो आप सब लोग भी अपनी अपनी branch पे turns लेके, so that the branch remains open, the branch coordinator plus internal staff members अपना time लेके इस fair को जरूर visit करें. So again, my request is afternoon 3 to 5 would be the ideal time to target. But अगर आपको सुबह समय मिलता है तो आप सुबह भी आके जा सकते हैं. चलिए, thank you very much. Hope to see you guys at the fair. Bye bye.